They have brought two different lures to test out. One is this huge crankbait that can dive to up to 15 feet or more. And then on the opposite end, have this tiny little slim bait. We'll see which one can actually catch fish. Water level is getting lower. Oh, the big guy first. Wow, I can definitely feel touching the bottom. Uh-oh. Snack. Snagged up something. No. A crankbait. Piece of log or something. Ugh. No. Jesus. No, my crankbait. Don't want to lose you. Got it. Got it back. Wow. I have a hook that's got a little bit shaped. Okay. Try. Oh my gosh, another log. Can't fish here. Never mind, guys. This dives too deep. Alright, at this point, I'm not even sure if it is a fair fight anymore. Both hooks on this big crankbait are bent just 5 minutes in. It's kind of like suffering 2 black eyes in the real world. The little fella. Little fella. Having trouble casting it out. Oh yeah, got something. Oh yeah. Oh. There's little smallmouth. Okay. So the little fella is the ticket. Oh yeah, little crappie. Oh, the small guy scores. Don't be afraid. Just gonna take the fish out of your mouth, and you will be free to roam again. Crappie. Isn't the small fish scores? Oh yeah, I got something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. That's the bigger guy. Oh wow. Okay. I think it was small. Wow. Okay, a little sheep head. Okay. Alright. Okay. It's a little tiny little minnow is winning for sure. Oh yeah, got something. Oh, whoops. Sorry, buddy. Some fish. Alright, so the small minnow lure is the clear winner here. The big crankbait, I've had success with it catching fish in the spring when the water level is much higher and all sorts of game fish swim upstream at that time, and they were much more aggressive and willing to hit crankbait. But I think with the water level receding and summer weather, there's a shifting pattern. Big fish are moving back to the main lake in deeper waters, and the fish that remain in this river are much more finicky. So I think a smaller, realistic looking bait will help catch fish. Kind of like today, where I caught some sheephead, almost landed a smallmouth, and also caught a sunfish. So I think the small minnow wins, whereas the big crankbait was only able to catch some snags. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.